Hey guys, so the phone 2 from nothing is on its way and this device is gonna give a tough fight to the OnePlus 11 series. The specifications of phone 2 may not sound something astonishing to those who care about numbers, but those specs paired with unique glyph interface and stockish Nothing OS 2.0 will attract a lot of OnePlus customers. So yes guys, this is how the phone 2 is gonna look. Center hole punch, selfie shooter, a 6.7-inch display with 1080p, not so high resolution, so not 1.5K or 2K, something there in OnePlus. Yeah, I like that front design a lot. No to less chin with a small 32 megapixel selfie shooter. Now the 8 Plus Gen 1 is gonna power this device and it's definitely not the most powerful chipset right now, but it's still based on 4nm TSMC process, which is great, can handle all the high graphic games without any issues. The back panel no doubt is identical to that of phone 1. Here they are dual cameras, Sony IMX890 main, which shockingly is also the one in the OnePlus 11, can shoot awesome photos and videos. The Samsung JN1 super wide, which also can shoot macro, this all with new glyph interface with more styles and light show. The best part is we have Glyph Composer coming along with the Nothing OS 2.0 where you can style your own music and light. Finally, a 4700 mAh battery is gonna power phone 2 with 45 watts of fast charging. So with the powerful and power efficient 8 Plus Gen 1, it may go 7 to 8 hours I guess. And again, the highlight of this device is that back design coming in grey and white finish, and that Nothing OS 2.0 which is coming with black and white widgets mimicking quick settings panel. So this all guys, Nothing is doing things which OnePlus used to do initially. It's gonna be hard choice for users to pick between Nothing or OnePlus. So comment down which would you pick. The battery test, unboxing and comparison are coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.